Today we're talking about video in your real estate business, and I want to give you a couple tips on how you can consistently use video in your business. Now, a lot of times I would say that the easiest thing that you can do is to use your phone. It is such a powerful tool. Now, I'm sitting here in my office, I have a videographer, he's got the whole setup and this is amazing. I will also tell you that I've been working with a videographer for over 4 years. So this isn't my first round. When I started doing video in my business, I started with my cell phone. And as my skills grew and as my budget grew, so did the people that helped me. So now I actually have video editors, I have a videographer, they have the lighting, they have all of that kind of stuff. So just getting started, I would say make it very accessible to yourself, because if you have to hire someone, you'll be less likely to just get started. So I would say get started by using your phone. Now, if you want to put out something that's a little more polished and you don't want to be on your phone, then the next thing that I would do is I would actually schedule in advance. So, here I am today. You can absolutely know that I'm treating this as an appointment just like I would a listing appointment or a buyer appointment. So I didn't show up late, and I absolutely showed up prepared with what I'm doing, right? I value my time, I value his time. And because I'm paying for this, I'm more prepared. So you will do, when you schedule with a videographer, you're actually gonna show up prepared. If you don't, that's crazy. You're just wasting money. So I would say schedule your videographer in advance. Don't wing it. Give yourself time so that you can do my next steps, which would be start by having a place to brain dump ideas. You're gonna get sparks of ideas. You're gonna see something on social media that you wanna do. Make sure you jot down all of that stuff. A week before your scheduled time with your videographer, you're going to want to put time aside to actually go deeper into your brain dump. So you're going to pull out those ideas and then develop them a little bit more. Come up with a script, come up with your bullet points, because that planning session is going to make your time with your videographer way more useful. I do also have some post-shooting tips that I think are really helpful to being consistent with video. So after I shoot all of my video, I make sure to put every title of every video in a list, and then I have all of the places I want that video to go. So it's gonna go on Google Business, it's gonna go on Instagram, it's gonna go on Facebook, it's gonna go on LinkedIn, it's gonna be emailed out to all of my clients, and it's gonna go on my website and a blog. So I have this whole plan of where I want that video to go. And I will tell you that I've shot video in the past and I didn't keep track of everything that I shot. And I came back a year later and thought, didn't I do a video on that? And I did. And it never got published because I didn't have an organizational tool. It can be as simple as a spreadsheet, but you need to take all those titles and then decide where they're gonna go. The last part, as I would say, don't compare yourself to someone's, 4 years, 5 years into doing video with your day one. You have to practice, guys. If you want to feel comfortable on camera, shoot video every single day. Like I said, start on your phone. You don't even have to send the video to anybody, but practice shooting video with yourself and being on camera. And then I would also say, just realize you're never going to be 100% happy with the way that you look and sound on camera, okay? Like, you have to let go of your ego, because the little hole in your head, I have a hole right here. I'm not gonna have him zoom in, but I have a hole in my head right here. You guys probably never even noticed that, right? And if you did, you definitely wouldn't say anything to me. But it's the first thing I see, or oh, my voice is so squeaky, or I look so fat, or this, that, and the other, okay? It's just your face. The way that you look on camera is how you look in person. So get over it. Don't overanalyze the way that you look and sound. Just know that the more you do video, the more you'll get comfortable. So I encourage you right now to start shooting some form of video every single day so that you can get more comfortable, and then get it scheduled and be consistent. Good luck.